Welcome back for the closing bell on the 9th of September 2020. As you can see, the market has been doing really well. The Nasdaq's up 3%, Dow Jones up 2%, we've got the French index up at 1.6%, English index FTSE up at 1.3%, so everything's going well. So is this truly the recovery? We have to check the Chinese stocks on how they respond, followed by the European and then back to the American stock market again. Is this truly the recovery, Alex? I've asked you this question twice. I would say hang fire, don't get too excited about it. I know Tesla's up by 8%, Apple's up by 4%, Zoom is up by 11%. Isn't this not a good justification? Again, I would say no, hang fire, because of one very good reason which I would like to speak about. If you notice, Astrazeneca's trial has been suspended. The trial that Donald Trump wanted to fast track 2 weeks ago has been suspended. The trial that got the whole stock market excited about the vaccine that we can pump in the body and get over this COVID has been suspended. We were supposed to get Q4 or Q1 vaccine, but all has this been suspended because of one fella in Oxford University camp that's fallen critically ill, unsure whether it's due to COVID, due to the vaccine, or due to his own health underlying condition. Something that we have to monitor. Everyone is on the spotlight on this news because the market focus on the 6 months ahead in future. And if you cannot see a roadmap for us recovery, it's a big problem. And if you realize that all the news are watching out for the likes of Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, Sanofi, GSK to see whether they've got more positive news. But everybody is keeping really quiet. Because all this established company wants to go the proper 24 months roadmap producing a vaccine, not being fast-tracked like the ones in China or the ones in Russia. So we have to wait, we have to monitor the situation. We do not take this recovery for granted until we see positive news again on the vaccine. Okay, and the second thing that I would like to discuss is recovery stocks. Yes, Alex, back to recovery stocks again. If you notice, lots of recovery stocks are secretly creeping up from yesterday when the tax were down and then today again. So what's this recovery stocks? Let me bring some examples to you. Uber up 2.2%, McDonald's up 2%, Starbucks 1%, Nike 2.5%. Today alone. And yesterday they did the same. Sanofi up 2.8%, Bain from Germany up 1%, Unilever from UK up 3.8%, Ferrari up 2.4%, Diageo drinks company up 1.75%. And again, the same happened yesterday. Sort of double up on the yield past 2 days. So these are recovery stocks preparing for that run straight ahead if everything recovers. So if you look at your portfolio, if you're all just saturated in tech stocks, think about going into this long-term dividend, cyclical, non-cyclical stocks, defensive stocks. Something for you to think about, something for me to plant that seed in your head. Okay, finally, the 3 questions which I received during opening bell. So number 1, market, will it be affected between Trump versus Biden election? Of course. If Trump wins, we know that the trade wars will go on, and we know that Trump wants to give lower tax, lower interest rates to American corporation, and then for the stock market to grow. That's an obvious one. Biden has kept his card really close. We're not sure what he's going to do, but we know that potentially he might get more corporation tax from large corporation company. So the likes of Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Apple will have to pay more tax. And potentially he might have to raise the interest rates for perhaps the rich. We are not sure, this is me speculating, but something that we have to slowly unveil and see. But this is where we are standing from here at the moment. Second question is NAT. Is it time to buy NAT stocks because it's fallen? I would say no. NAT has gone up 8% yesterday and dropped to 3%, and today they're up again. But I would say hang fire, look around yourself. It's a buffet table, guys. Look around yourself. What tech companies, secretly recovering stocks, vaccine companies, mega cap stocks which are on a discount. There are many avenues that you can look. There are many avenues that we know that it will grow even faster than NAT. So if I were you, try to diversify. Do not oversaturate. Do not try to bring down your average down. And finally, Slack. Slack lost 15%. What do we do? This I will need another 6 minutes to explain. So I'll produce another video for you guys regarding Slack, for me to catch up on what should we do, what I do with Slack. So this is me on the closing bell. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for the opening bell on Thursday afternoon. Have a good day. Bye.